Okay, I'm back with another video guide. Today I'm going to tell how you can root uh, OnePlus Pad 4 device easily with that step today. Okay, currently I would like to discuss the first thing that I have not that device currently or physically to make a tutorial physical and show you the step by step one by one. But this guide you can do at your own risk and follow up the steps which I shared on the website. Let's see. Okay, here you can see I search PC file on the Google and then I follow up the websites. Let it's fully loaded properly. You can see. Okay, here is the guidelines steps. Okay, and then how you can load OnePlus Pad for device. So it's really simple steps I'm sharing with you. So be ready and I hope it you will enjoy. Okay, root OnePlus Pad for complete guide. Properly this guide cover everything for your OnePlus Pad for root access via Magisk custom ROM installation, firmware flashing using as a flash tool, plus Fastboot and scatter file usage for MediaTek chipset. Okay, first of all, you should know the version of the Android in your pad. So that currently is the latest version, and you can say the Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15 on a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor. Okay, it's really fantastic. So, what the thing you should have before starting? Windows PC, Linux, and support Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, the thing you should keep in mind that if you are planning to root OnePlus Pad 4, you should get the backup properly, like bootloader, unlock, resist everything off on your OnePlus Pad 4. Backup photos, documents, and app data to your personal PC or Google Drive or Mega, anywhere you can store to save the data before starting. This is the main thing. So I cover up 12 steps in 4 phases, and you should follow up one by one and each phase. Okay, in the first phase, you should have one step that is enable developer options. Okay, second step enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. The third step full backup mandatory. Okay, the second phase is extract boot.image from stock ROM, boot into fast boot mode, and execute unlock command. Okay, the third phase. Okay, you can install Magisk from the GitHub. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you can see installation guide. And another way, this is the fast way, and you can download the APK. Here, MBs size 11 MBs and 24 MB some things. So it's really simple and easy ways to do. Okay, the for eighth step, flash fetch image via fastboot. Section 2, how to install custom ROM on OnePlus Pad 4. You should follow up the things one by one, easy for you to understand, and you should cover up each thing without any misunderstanding or misleading. So you should have each guide with simple steps. This is very basic discussion. Wrote the on OnePlus Pad 4. Okay. Here are the 5 steps how the custom ROM work. Another section is how to flash one plus pad for full firmware restore. Okay, it has 6 steps and the no exceptional warning. Okay, scatter file for OnePlus Pad for MediaTek, and it has I think so 4 steps. So critical scatter error is a scatter file must match firmware exactly. So frequently asked question from my audience. Does OnePlus officially allow bootloader unlocking on the Pad 4? Yes. Will Oxygen OS processor 15 features break after rooting? Most Oxygen OS 15 features remain functional. Okay, some secure function like wide wine L1 may downgrade to L3. Keep in mind, effect Netflix HD. What customer ROM are available for OnePlus Pad 4? Check XDA forum under OnePlus Pad 4. Lineage OS 22 CR. Okay, so let's search up this. Okay, OnePlus Pad forum, XDA forum, and okay, so this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. It is loading Lineage OS entire distribution. Okay, power to you. Okay, HDF forum, paid for. Okay, you can understand the questions easily. I got my 7 plus bed go. Okay, 1 plus bed go missing features. Okay, people discuss here as well and get the guidelines properly. Okay, you can see. Okay, okay. Saving space for further edits. Okay. So another question is how can I revert to 100% stock oxygen OS 15 use AC flash tool with the help scatter file. So final discussion, we think this guy provide complete independent walkthrough for routing your OnePlus Pad for installing custom ROM, recovering brick device via flash tool and using scatter file for MediaTek chipset. Each section is designed to work without dependency on the other. Respect the rule for custom ROM. Always verify your firmware build number, use a high quality USB cable and keep the battery charge above 17%. Before any flash operation, follow the steps in the correct order, and your OnePlus Pad 4 will run exactly as you envision. Rotate, customized, rotate, customize, or restore to pure stock. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, if you like the red article, you should give us a rating. So that's all for now. We'll discuss something new in our next video. Thanks for watching.